Registering the application is a very simple process. The idea is that you don't have to pay a license for seeing if the product matches your needs, so you can use all the software completely without paying any license, but in the presentation of the scoreboard, if the system is not licensed, you will have an advert of large display solutions each 30 seconds, right? So it will not be suitable for production. But once you have decided to buy the license, you will see that when you start the system, if it is not licensed, it will show you this window. It will give you an installation ID, that is a code unique for this computer, and will request you a registration ID. We will provide you the registration ID after you bought the license. So you will send us by your email, for example, this number, and we will introduce a valid license in our license server, so that if your computer is connected to the internet, it will gather automatically the registration ID. But in case that your computer is not connected to the internet, we will provide you a number that is the registration ID that you can write here. In this case is this one. So you just click on register, and in that moment the demonstration mode label here has disappeared. If you go to the application settings here on the bottom, you will have the information about your license. What is your installation ID? What is the registration ID associated? The license status and when it expires. That's all. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video. Bye bye.